Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem-solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple-choice question with only one correct option on the rotation of a ring about its vertical diameter. The question is as follows. A smooth wire of length 2 pi r is bent into a circle and kept in a vertical plane. A bead can slide smoothly on the wire when the circle is rotating with angular speed omega about the vertical diameter AB as shown in the figure. The bead is at rest with respect to the circular ring at position P as shown. Then the value of omega square is, the options are root 3g by r, root 3g by 2r, 2g by r and 2g by root 3r. Now for the answer. It is given that the ring is rotating about the vertical diameter AB. The situation is shown in the figure. Radius of the ring OP is equal to r. Position of the bead is at P. Therefore, the bead is rotating in a horizontal circle of radius PQ. It is given that PQ is equal to R by 2. Now, in the right angle triangle OPQ, we have OP is equal to R, PQ is equal to R by 2 and angle POQ is equal to theta. Therefore, we have sin theta is equal to PQ by OP, which is equal to 1 by 2, which implies theta is equal to pi by 6. The bead is rotating in a horizontal circle of radius r by 2 with angular velocity omega. Let the mass of the bead is equal to m. Therefore, centripetal force acting on it is given by mass into radius into angular velocity square. Therefore, we have Fc is equal to m into r by 2 into omega square, which is equal to half mr omega square. Normal reaction N of the ring acts on the bead along PO. Now, the horizontal component of N provides the necessary centripetal force. Therefore, we have N sin theta is equal to half mr omega square. Also, the vertical component of N balances the weight of the bead. Therefore, we have N cos theta is equal to mg. Dividing equation 2 by 3, we get N sin theta divided by N cos theta is equal to half mr omega square divided by mg, which implies tan theta is equal to omega square r by 2g, which gives omega square is equal to 2g tan theta by r. Now, theta is equal to pi by 6, which implies tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, which gives omega square is equal to 2g by root 3r, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is D. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.